i35equipment.com. Today we're giving you a review on these security skid steer locks. These are so handy and excellent locks in our experience for keeping unwanted guests out of your skid steer. As you can see, we've got two of them here, one on the bucket and one on the cab. The one on the cab here just welds on to the grab handles or whatever else you have available here that's in front of the window so it doesn't hit the window. And that uses a barrel lock to unlock. You just slide your key in, unlock it. This will retract inside, you pull it off, and you can get it in. The one down here is on the handles. It's not a weld on. We like to put them on and then twist it around. That way the lock is facing down, so if you're not familiar with seeing it, you won't know how to get it off or see the barrel lock on it, and also keeps the water out of it. All this one does is it goes on your two quick attach handles and locks itself. You slide it out, telescope it out, push the barrel lock down, and that keeps your handles from being flipped up. Not a big deal on buckets, but if you had a really expensive, nice mulcher attachment or something on here, it'd be really nice to keep people from stealing that. Anyway, that's our quick review on them. Had them for years. They work fantastic. If you're in the market for used heavy equipment, check out our website at i35equipment.com. And if you're looking for a skid steer lock, check them out online. Have a great day.